If you're facing verification issues on Steam after several failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your Steam account for any verification messages. Look for emails from Steam that may contain verification codes or instructions to resolve the issue. Step 2. Use the Steam support page. Visit the Steam support page and navigate to the My Account section. Here, you can find options related to account recovery and verification issues. Follow the prompts to identify your problem and receive tailored assistance. Step 3. Verify your identity. If prompted, you may need to verify your identity. This can involve answering security questions, providing proof of account ownership, or entering a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 4. Wait for a response. After submitting your verification request or contacting Steam support, be patient and wait for a response. It may take some time for the support team to review your case and provide a solution. Step 5. Follow up if necessary. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable timeframe, consider following up with Steam support. Provide any additional information they may need to expedite the resolution of your verification issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues on Steam and regain access to your account. If problems persist, continue to seek assistance from Steam support for further help.